guys, I'm Varsha from Tamil Nadu, Madurai. I have completed my undergraduate in Information Technology in Tyagarajar College of Engineering, Madurai. And after completing, I wanted to switch my career to embedded domain, so I took a 6 months course. From starting till the end, everything was start from the basics, and everything was taught from scratch. And the lab mentors were supportive throughout the process, and they gave many assignments and projects too. This course was also supported with placements. After completing this course, Emertxe provides us with ample amount of core companies for us to get a job, and it helped me a lot to get a job in both lifestyle. Looking to switch your jobs or start your career in embedded domain, Emertxe is the best option to kickstart your career.